Arugamiria rega kidogo.
Ithe wa Selina.
Yes.
Na tiure hainĩirwo nĩ Kamaru.
Acha thi Selina mama mwanyi na terevi. Ithe wa Selina arekire atiriri. Mware ni arahika weekend yo hetu. Yes. A wedding of grandiose.
Yes. Uhiki munene.
Yo ikitora turari wa maji haria Ruiru Sports Club. Uhiki wa andu akuria wa chai. Riu ucio rari na grandiose. Tondu rekagirwo kundu gwitagwo Karen Blixen. Karen Blixen wa Bereri. It's a place with very rich history and an English touch with an ambience of opulence. Yes. Na matiete kira yado maite coka wa gukinya.
Gukinya hau. Ko tigo wa coka.
Ne Google ke?
Google Map.
Google Pin. Ti moita. Te mwandike hau coka. Gathebas.
No gekira aru.
We ngande maheo wira wa guita coka. Maita excess.
Mero meke kuotire. Makao bakuot.
Makao bakuot bakona. Na gunia inya. Na makora distance yore. Ni marekia. No matige si gunia ingi.
Mena tokonia twiri matatu murite.
Riu maoka makiongagirira aru. Na ritwa ria mwene ohoro.
Na rikanene hiyo.
Gatheba. Ahead. Wasaimo. Riu ikio jo nduraki na choka. No igwa ari kuria Karen Blixen. Yes. Ni Selina wake uragika atia.
Urahikaga.
Yes. Of course that tells you ni ando moya inewega na shiringi
ni andu makumanyana wega na kiondo
tondu ekuikio ni nyakeru ya faranja ndu tukimeta wa athungu
arahikira mu faranja
na ti mu faranja ninge we yagitie
ni mu faranja wina shekeli
ni CEO of a blue chip company yes mundu kida tu helicopter twake tuguthiururuka nogio ni ramire ano gionda miaka miehere
akeherera rami akabata
iguru muona eki
muona wototia
amuma na iguru rehuri asheni maraye fagito na rugamiriri they are very cultured people go kwa Ithe wa Selina very cultured adu me values your family Ithe aragitumithiriyo guo njega muno ari hamatsa executive menswear yes
Ithe wa Selina runia utumwo itonyo hane mutongoria
atwaro kirungie na thimu nguo kuratwika area ngora yori emeri ne hinde matinie katia
etia
arakio tondu tu saiciri they shall be delivered to you in gikabura yes
ni wage kabura
yes nguo iragiuka master executive men's wear marashi deliver mucie Friday nigetha uhiki ukoro wa Saturday thuti njega muno iria cietagwo Tuxedo. Tuxedo studio daige.
Asa.
Ana bana. Tuxedo tairio na hulu. Ekirite ria thigo cia George Bush. Ti George Bush atawati ora.
Bush no waga tene we.
Bush no ahede aimirio. Obama na Trump yes egwe hoekira gone Leonardo DiCaprio yes umeona TV ni yes na Jackie Chan yara active movies yake yes ai tumiro thuti yo irare huo nara hero lofa ira tujishita wet look
agwikira lofa
yes but lofa ito wet look yes karato very expensive yes mati ni wa matara ke mutigira murigo wake
hau akihumbe
yes
aroke uhiki
no ru hane ararugamirie regeri makinya guku kanitho rohithanirio ri ni wa garden yes
is a garden wedding
garden ni kuga ru rohithanirio haria hema-ini iria andu macoke moke ki
mwena uyu unge kuria
na Karen Blixen ri andu matieragwo ati marikia mundu akue ki
nduguthama na giti giaku
bana there are people who will you know Wakinya riu haria ha. We will now have the father of the bride just present her to us so that we may continue with the liturgy of the holy matrimony. Harusi tunayo watuna. You know, Atugatari, they have nice demeanor. Harusi tunayo watuna. The liturgy of the holy matrimony is going to be moderated by our archdeacon who is here. So yule ambaye anatuletea bi harusi tungeomba atulete ida Selina ri maroni mundu athudia hau mwari aramwira gosh daddy Nikki what is wrong I really na look yangu swale uhike dad seriously wapi viatu zako
katare iratu
ida Selina ri arahetete karothwa ndangithira na kiratu gitari ndigi na arauga ni kiramuihinya arekira kobo ni arathi ni kirathuti Ithe dad seriously ni kiratu ciaku cieko ni marata mo ni mahinya muno ingekira ni iratu cia muthemba ucio kiratu kiu niki kirani nie ndi mukuru na ndienda goguo mutige go start tuthithie kwi mutungatiri
arekirire mitungi
akeia jothe mu au aithie ndiraigua riu maguru ni marahihia that is seriously arugamiriri excuse me can something be done no we have already started
Ithe wa Selina ena ngamu na thuti
agekirirwo I found love for me. We were just kids when we fell in. Ya Selina na komoni na mwari na mukulima wendetie gicere kia mugunda mwari ahike
taxido na kobo
taxido darling just hold me slow I found love for me Bedo kuna ndo ginya wedding show We were just kids when we fell in love.
Yo the party mwe. Yo hiki no ginya. Ituike captured on tape.
No, it is a highlight. What are you talking about? It's the highlight of the moment.
Muhikia kireho.
Akijara hebu tugatiri. Moria mzee baba Selina. Umekubali kupatiana msichana wako huyu hapa kwa madhabahu ili tuweze kuendelea na ibada ya ndoa takatifu. Ndio na umwambia wacha kukasirishwa ni ngamfuti. Kitambo mimi kiwa mama yake alikuwa mgutupu. Madhari unajua kile ile walinipea nikiato inakula unajua nilikulwa ni ndutu. Sasa niko gadhongo wa hapa. Selina was mad. Never mind, his husband found that very unique. We are very impressed how our father just adjusted the theme of the event and came with very good shoes. It was very unique. In fact, I suggest with the evening party we all come with gumboots. We are thoroughly entertained by our father here. And I have to say, usually, I don't say much, but it was really interesting to watch him walk in the oil with gumboots. There was a particularity of detail. Je ne sais pas nos vies, je suis conduit soit. Oui. Je casse was very nice, very beautiful. We really enjoy us.
Para jama kiona mwago.
Kwa athungu nĩ magekenio nĩ Jothebu rĩ.
Inyue mwema.
Selina gũtinda harakarĩte.
Ucio ndarĩ mĩaka mĩrũrũ.
Ndarĩ. Jothebu ĩkorwo ngari-inĩ yake. Yarĩ bigo.
Na hau mũkĩmwĩra hau atĩ we turukua ngandũ.
Yace kuona nĩ kĩranjina nginya maitho.
Nĩ thaa 9:45. Ririkana